Hi, I'm J.R. Atkins. I'm here today with Mike Wilkinson of Paragon Innovations. How are you doing, Mike?
Pretty good. You?
I'm doing great. We were just talking about something that may interest our viewers. The idea that devices are getting smaller, they're getting faster, they last longer, the prices are coming down. But one question we probably all have is, why is this happening?
Well, there's a couple of reasons. One is Moore's Law. We've all heard about Moore's Law, where transistors are getting half the size or put twice as many on the same chip every 18 months to 2 years. And that's one reason. Number two is battery chemistry. There's been a lot of changes in battery technologies over the past years that have enabled us to have longer lasting electronic devices in a smaller package.
Interesting. Well, what are the limits that stand in the way of these kind of advancements?
Well, one of those is the electromechanical nature. So as an example here, I have an insulin pump that we developed for Miniman Medtronic. And the insulin reservoir that's inside here obviously can't get any smaller, the electrical, that part, as well as the mechanical motor. Those are things that are pretty small to start with. But really what's causing the problem here for making it even smaller is the user-human interface. So the buttons and the display are the ways that we interact with devices, such as our cell phone, etc. And there's a limit to what we can actually see visually. What we're seeing, though, in the future, and more, is things that we interacted with remotely, either by an RF kind of device like this, we're still buttons, but it's not the same, or by voice, like in Siri on the iPhone, or even some newer technologies involve eye movement, where it looks to see your eye movement and makes determinations as to human input, if you will, to the device.
So as these other ways of communicating with the device come up, then it can actually end up being smaller because we don't need fat buttons for fat thumbs.
Exactly.
Well, I appreciate you sharing this with us. If someone would like to talk to you, maybe they have an idea about how to make something smaller or a question, how do we reach you?
Well, I'd love to talk to people more about making things smaller, lighter, faster. And they can do that by reaching out to me at mike.w@paragoninnovations.com or call me at 972-680-2900, or lastly on our website, www.paragoninnovations.com, on our Contact Us page.
Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.